Hari Om, my dear students. In last class, we learnt about microprocessor and its types, and also discussed the characteristics of microprocessor and how data communicate between CPU and memory and their classifications, and also discussed the memory devices. Today, we are going to learn about ROM and its types, cache memory, and also secondary storage devices, and another one is ports and interfaces. Okay, the first one is ROM. The expansion of ROM is read-only memory. It is one of the special memory in a computer. Why this is a special memory? Because in this memory, data are pre-recorded at manufacturing time. In the manufacturing time, the booting process programs are stored in this ROM. So it is a special type of memory. Okay, and also one of the advantage of ROM is if the computer is turned off to retain its contents, because it is a predefined data. So it cannot be modified the data. Thus only read the data from the memory. We cannot modify or remove the data in the memory. So it is a non-volatile memory. Okay, the types of ROM. There are three types of ROM. First one is PROM, EEPROM, EEPROM. The expansion of PROM is programmable read-only memory. This memory is also a non-volatile memory. But in this memory, data can be written only once, cannot be modified. Data va change panna mudiyadhu, but once நம்ம data va store பண்ணி வச்சுக்கலாம். The main difference between ROM and PROM is, in ROM, data can be pre-recorded at manufacturing time. Okay, but in PROM is manufactured as a blank memory. Okay, we store the data in PROM. Next one is EEPROM, that is erasable programmable read-only memory, which is like a PROM, but the only difference is in PROM we cannot erase the data, but in EEPROM we use UV rays, we erase the data in EEPROM. This is the main difference between EEPROM and PROM. The another difference between EEPROM and PROM is, in PROM we can be written only once and cannot be erased, but in EEPROM we erase the data and reprogram the memory. Okay, the next one is EEPROM, that is electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. It is also a special type of PROM. Using an electrical charge, we erase the data in EEPROM. So it is a electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Comparing to other type of ROM, its performance is slow. Next concept is cache memory. It is very high speed and expensive memory. So in CPU we use a smaller size of cache memory compared to main memory. Okay, it is placed in between the CPU and main memory. The next concept is secondary storage devices, which is otherwise called as backup storage. Okay, so it is a non-volatile in nature and also permanently stored the data in memory. Example for secondary storage devices are hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, Blu-ray disc. These are all the examples of secondary storage devices. The main difference between these devices are storage capacity. CD, that is compact disc, the capacity of CD is 700 MB. DVD is a digital versatile disk. The capacity of DVD is 4.7 GB. Next one is Blu-ray disc. It is a high density of optical disc, but similar to DVD, but its storage capacity is 50 GB and so on. Okay, in this device we use a blue violet laser to write, so it is called as Blu-ray disc. Compared to DVD and CD, it has more than 5 times of capacity of DVD. The next concept is ports and interfaces. In a computer, motherboard has many input-output circuits that are connected to ports and interfaces. This green color port is used to connect the mouse. The violet color port is used to connect the keyboard device. Okay. The blue pin is used to connect the monitor, that is VGA, that is video graphics array. Serial port is used to connect the external devices. Parallel port are used to connect the printer. USB is used to connect the external devices such as scanner, mobile phones, and some hard disk or printers, etc. If we connect the speaker, headphones, or microphone, we use audio plugs. And also, if you connect the mouse and keyboard to the PC, we use PS2 port. Next one is HDMI. The expansion is High Definition Multimedia Interface. It is also one of the audio video interface. This interface is suitable for digital television, monitor, and LCD projector, etc. Okay, thank you, students.